Hi guys, so I am here to go ahead and film the walkthrough of the empty house after our painting and renovations, carpet and all that, before we move in. So it's still empty, we're moving in. Tomorrow we're moving our first furniture. We have a U-Haul, it's already at the house. So I just want to walk through before we move anything in and give you guys a really good look. So I'm going to go ahead and start at the beginning of the house and go ahead and start. Okay, so when you first come in, here is that entryway. Here is this wall, kitchen. We have painted all of the walls and the trim, and I will try to pop in some, photos or videos, whatever I can. The sun's setting, so I apologize for the lighting, but we painted all of the walls and the trim, and you'll be able to tell the big difference of the lighting when we get to the office. It's kind of hard in here. The electricity is off because they're redoing these outlets right now, in this room at least, but we painted all these walls, lightened them up. We had a professional come in and clean up our beams, and they look so much better now. We got rid of that dark wall. The walls are the Tahitian vanilla or Tahiti vanilla, and the trim is cotton cloud. So it's a stark white and then a creamy yellowy kind of white. It's not super dark, but it's definitely a little different. And we did all the trim windows in that cotton cloud, and then all of our outlets are the bright white to match the cotton cloud. So this is the living room. And then hallway, let me turn on the lights here. That one needs to be screwed back in. But here is the office, and you can really see the contrast in color when you're looking in here. I'm hoping it's picking up on camera, but it is a creamy color on the walls, and then the stark white on the trim. And again, all these plates and things, Brandon did all of these ones. My brother's an electrician, so him and Brandon are going to knock out the rest of those. These are the carpets, which we replaced on this side of the house where the old carpets were. They were so gross. If you saw our ripping out the carpet video, if you haven't, you can see the back of the pad, and the carpet was so nasty, and it's just so clean. It doesn't smell anymore. The walls don't have chip paint, like everything is so clean. This room has all the outlets have been changed. So this is kind of the look that we wanted to go for with the matching outlets to the trim. Sorry for all our junk, but we painted the windows, door trim, and then here's the closet. So everything got painted, and if you haven't seen the original walkthrough, I definitely go check that out to kind of see the difference. You'll notice that we haven't put on the doors yet. I figured we'll move in, get the furniture in here, and then we'll put back on the bedroom doors after we painted them. It's one of the only things we haven't finished painting yet, but I figured that we would get to it here in the next week or so, all these painting supplies, but the wall color is just a lot lighter. It makes every room look way brighter. I know I'm pretty plain Jane to do white on white, but we really like the way it turned out and are just really happy with it. So those are all the bedrooms. Here's the kitchen. Again, sorry for all our junk throughout the week. We've been, bringing tools and stuff. And then the laundry room has all of our painting supplies and old things. This is the project room, so we're still painting the doors, as you can tell. But why I'm in here is because that tan color was the walls in the entire house. So if you look at that and then look here, like it used to be that brown. And so the whole house, every bedroom, every closet, kitchen, living room, everything was that brown. And now everything is way brighter. And right now, even though it's like 7 something at night, it's still really bright in here. During the day when it's like full sun, it is so bright and beautiful. And especially in Oregon, when a lot of the months out of the year we have rain and gloom and doom, it's going to make us feel a lot better to come home to a clean, bright house. So just want to show you the final walkthrough and give you a look. I'm going to be vlogging us actually moving in tomorrow and showing like little updates throughout the day. Hope you guys are excited for that one. I'm going to go ahead and flip you around. But this is where I'm going to cut off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and that you're looking forward to the moving vlogs. If you liked this little series of us moving, let me know in the comments down below what other home related videos you'd like to see. If you want to see, you know, me unpacking and organizing a certain room or decor videos, please comment ideas down below and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!